Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to copy someone's Instagram Reel effect. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step is to go to Instagram app. Now, if I go and open my Reels right here, I can scroll through them and find the ones I like. When I find a reel with an effect that I would like to use for my own video, I'm going to see this little button with the effect name. Simply click on this effects here, and then you're going to see this page. You will see all the videos that use this particular effect. You can click on the Save button at the top if you want to save this effect for your future Reels. If you want to use this effect right now, then click on this Use Effect button, and it will open your Instagram Reel camera with your effect loaded. Now you can use the effect for your own Instagram Reels and enjoy them. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.